Welcome to you all to this course called Fluid Mechanics 1. So before starting the course, let me discuss the course contents and the recommended books about this course. So this course is subdivided into 4 units, Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3 and Unit 4. So in Unit 1, we shall introduce the fluid mechanics. We shall discuss the continuum hypothesis, isotropy property of the fluid, some other properties of the fluid, viscosity, Newton's law of viscosity, some different type of fluids, particularly about Newtonian and non-Newtonian fluids, and some important types of fluids we shall discuss here. And again in unit 1, we shall discuss some important results of vector analysis. We shall also define the orthogonal curvilinear coordinates. So here we shall also discuss the gradient, divergence and curl of scalar as well as vector fields. In orthogonal curvilinear coordinates, we shall discuss particularly three orthogonal curvilinear coordinates called Cartesian coordinates, cylindrical coordinates, and spherical coordinates. And we shall also find out the gradient, divergence, and curl of a scalar and vector field in these orthogonal curvilinear coordinates. Unit 2, we shall discuss how to describe the motion. So there are two ways to describe a motion. It's called uh, spatial description or Eulerian description and material description or Lagrangian description. So we shall describe the motion by these two ways, and then we shall find out the relation between the spatial and material derivatives. We shall find out the acceleration of the fluid particle, and thereafter we shall discuss the law of conservation of mass. It's called the equation of continuity. So we shall discuss the equation of continuity in both the Eulerian as well as the Lagrangian form. We shall derive the equation of continuity for a fluid flowing through a channel or pipe. We shall discuss the boundary conditions uh, to be specified at the surface, either that surface is stationary or moving. And we shall also discuss the conditions for a surface to be the boundary surface. We in the lastly in this unit we shall discuss the streamlines, path lines, strict lines, difference between streamlines and path lines, velocity potential, vorticity vector, rotational and irrotational motions, and angular velocity, and some illustrative examples. In unit 3, we shall discuss the equation of motions in Eulerian as well as the Lagrangian forms. It's also called the momentum equation. We shall derive the equation of motion for an inviscid fluid, equation of motion under impulsive forces, and we shall also discuss the energy equation, and we shall derive the energy equation. We shall derive the Bernoulli's equation, pressure equation, and we shall discuss the few applications of the Bernoulli's equation. Now, lastly, in Unit 4, we shall discuss the motion in 2 dimensions. We shall define the stream function. We shall discuss the physical significances of stream function, spin components, irrotational motions. We shall find out the complex potential in 2 dimensions. We define source and sinks and complex potential due to sources and sinks. We shall define doublets. We try to find out the image of a doublet with respect to a line and circle. We shall discuss the Milne-Thomson circle theorem to find out the image of combination of source or sinks. It's called doublet. Finally, we shall discuss the Blasius theorem. That is the final topic of this course. So these all topics will be covered in 52 lectures, and the book recommended are the first book recommended is G.K. Batchelor. The Title of the book is Introduction to Fluid Mechanics, published by Cambridge University Press. The second book we shall discuss the D.S. Chandrasekharaya and L. Devnath Continuum Mechanics, published by Academic Press, New York. We shall discuss with the help of book named authored F. Charlton. Book title is Textbook of Fluid Dynamics. It is published by CBS Publication, New Delhi. And finally, we shall also take the help of the book authored by M.D. Raisinghania, Fluid Dynamics. It is published by S. Chand Publication, New Delhi. So in the next lecture, we shall start the first unit. Thank you. Thank you very much.